Just ahead on the news hour, are you ready to zap your fat? A new laser technique promises to literally melt away those unwanted pounds. We'll take a closer look in tonight's Family Health.
And Athena wanted to lose a few inches for her big day, so she turned to the light.
It's like tanning.
A fat-busting laser. No surgery or side effects. The first of its kind in Toronto.
Well, how many of us wish we could lose those few inches but aren't willing to go under the knife? A new cosmetic procedure promises to zap fat with no pain and no downtime. Our health specialist, Beatrice Bleedy's here with the story. A lot of people emailing me about all weekend long, and it really sounds too good to be true.
Well, we shall see about that. The machine is called a Zerona, and it uses cold laser beams. It used to be used to treat pain and inflammation after surgery. Now it's being used to help reshape the body without surgery. Athena Bistolis wants everything to be just right for her May wedding.
Not only do I have to look good in the dress, but I have to look good on the beach because 40-odd guests are going to be there.
Bistolis has been eating healthy and exercising, but feels she needs more help.
Just if I could lose a few inches, maybe even a dress size, that would be perfect.
Bistolis hopes this strange-looking forearm machine called the Zerona will do the trick. It's new to the Canadian market.
There are an array of diodes. These are diode lasers, cold lasers where you don't feel the heat from them.
Zerona guarantees the loss of 3 to 9 inches.
These cold laser beams go through the skin into the fat and induce a little opening in the fat cells so the pores leak out their contents, which of course is the triglyceride or the fat substance.
Bistolis just had to lie on the bed for 40 minutes every other day for 2 weeks. So how effective is it? Very small studies suggest the majority of patients do lose inches. What about Bistolis? Here are some pictures before and after. 6.5 inches slimmer overall.
I find my jeans fit better over here and my waist. That's where most of the difference came off, and a little bit on the arms.
The real question is how long will it last? In a surgical procedure like liposuction, the fat cells are actually removed from the body. With Zerona, the fat cells are simply flattened out and could easily swell again.
How hard is it to keep it off? It's as hard as you are able to maintain a reasonable lifestyle. So I tell most Zerona patients that we would anticipate you would do 1, maybe 2 maintenance treatments a year.
Bistolis is hoping she won't falter.
I mean, all-you-can-eat buffet at the resort might be a little difficult, but I think I could do it. There's healthy options there, too.
The initial laser treatment costs between $2,000 and $3,000. Follow-up treatments can be done if you want to lose more inches. No adverse effects have been reported, but bear in mind there are no long-term studies looking at the impact.
A lot of people are going to be going, wow.
Yes.
Question though, these inches aren't gone forever.
No, it's just like losing weight like you would if you were to diet and exercise. Your fat cells are always there in your body, but they shrink when you diet and exercise. And if you don't look at what you're eating and you don't exercise, those fat cells will just swell up again.
So it's like a booster start to the
in a way, and it has been called a bit of a booster start as well. Mm-hmm.